Hello, everyone. Elijah Vu's mother, Katrina Baur, is scheduled to be in court today at 1:15. It is a status conference. Hopefully, she will actually appear. So that would be in about 5 minutes. So if you had something to do, you're good for 5 minutes. I also did pin in the chat a link to the full Elijah Vu playlist. And if you missed our interview with our guest from Sunday, that is in the playlist. I encourage you to listen. You just have to go 5 minutes in because we were having some audio issues. I was having audio issues. But I encourage you to get caught up because I have pages and pages of more that I have dug up on this case. I have so much information that I plan to bring to you guys. I'm just working on trying to organize it a little bit. And I think it's the 28th. Let's see. Yes, Jesse Vang, the boyfriend, his status conference is scheduled for 3:30 on the 28th. Now, every now and then on these status conferences, they choose not to appear. I did not see anything in the court record indicating a waiver of appearance. So hopefully they do actually, or at least Katrina actually does appear today. But again, if you missed the live from Sunday night, you are going to want to hear it. And I did pin that full playlist. So got about 3 minutes. This judge tends to be pretty prompt. So I'll just keep refreshing there. I, I'm just continuing to refresh it. I just going to see if by chance where they have the wrong courtroom listed. Let's see. Looks like it was. And so you see down on the screen, that's Jody. That is Katrina's mom. I don't know if they're just waiting on Katrina to be. Ooh, somebody's not showing up. That's not good. Gonna have a really ticked off judge. That is not a happy looking judge. Who sends a judge to voicemail? Can you hear me? What are what I'm asking is, what are they talking about? A resolution that she needed to talk to her client about a resolution. A resolution to what? I'm nervous. I'm very, very nervous. Um, ugh, I might have to come back on this tonight and kind of start talking about some of the I mean, a ton of additional information that I have been digging up. Uh, I saw nothing in the court records regarding a plea agreement. I am actually going to check with her mom on that because that doesn't, and they didn't say a plea, they said a resolution to this. And the only other thing that has been, since the bond modification, which was denied in that last hearing, the only other thing that was discussed or in the court record was a victim impact statement, which could have been another letter from either her mom, Jody, or it could have been from one of the grandparents on the VU side. I am going to check in with the mom to find out if what if anything she knows about this, because my mind is just pretty shocked right now. I have no idea what they're talking about, and I have a lot of information that I need to put out there. So I will probably do another live tonight, but I at least wanted to bring you this. I will reach out to the mom. I will see if I can get an answer before tonight if she is aware of what they were talking about, considering she was part of the hearing, and she is a victim in this case. I would think she would be aware if there was a plea deal on the table. So I will inquire on that and get that information to you guys. In case you weren't aware, again, I pinned at the chat the link to the full Elijah Vu playlist, which is everything we've done on it, but it also includes the interview that we did on the live stream Sunday night. And again, you have to fast forward like 5 minutes in. There were audio issues because the person I was interviewing needed to do it by phone rather than through video. So it was not picking me up, but it was picking up the phone call. If it was a deal for the location of where Elijah is, that would be like amazing, Mike, amazing. The only other thing I'm thinking it could possibly be is that when the bond reduction was denied in that hearing, they had been talking about locations that she could go. She did not want to release the address, and they were not comfortable with the address that she was trying to stay at. And I think the judge mentioned something to the effect of, well, if, in the future this comes up again, please bring, with you an address that, might be better for consideration. But based on how this has been going, I'd be shocked if he was going to reduce bond and let her out. And the last update from the police was within the past couple weeks, and it didn't sound like they had anything. So doesn't mean they don't. Doesn't mean she didn't decide to talk since. So I will find out. I'm going to try to get to the bottom of this as soon as possible, and hopefully I will have that information to bring to you when I bring to you all of the massive amount of other stuff that I have for you. And yeah, I think that I have so much on this case. This seems unlike Sebastian Rogers and a lot of the other cases. This one seems so solvable. There is actually so much more information out there than people can possibly imagine. And it's just tying these things together and then figuring out how to get as many boots on the ground as possible in some of these locations. So stay tuned because there is so much more to come. And if you just take 2 seconds to look at this little boy's face, he is so precious and so beautiful and so small. And he did not deserve anything that happened to him. And I have goosebumps right now just even talking about this situation. It's so heartbreaking. So stay tuned. There will be more. I appreciate all of you. If you tuned in and you are not following the page, please like and subscribe and turn on the notifications so you get alerted when we're going to go live. And I hope to talk to you again tonight. Thank you.